Fewer choices and fewer sales, it's the summer slowdown. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. For the first time since February, buyers had fewer choices, and compared to last year, there were more than 1,000 fewer homes on the market. For the second month in a row, the median sales price in the East Bay dropped, though prices were still up compared with last August. Yes, there was a modest increase in sales compared to July. However, sales were far less than last August. Let's take a look at what's happening locally, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Fremont and Union City both down at least 70%. Prices still up mostly. Berkeley and Oakland both down compared to last August. Newark 1.3 up 11%. Sales mostly down. Berkeley and Castro Valley both down more than 30%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, down everywhere. El Sobrante, Richmond, San Pablo, all down at least 40%. Prices mixed. El Cerrito down almost 30%. Richmond also down slightly. Sales mostly way down. San Pablo down more than 50%. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Pleasant Hill, 18 homes for sale, down more than 60%. Prices mostly up. Limited choices in Pleasant Hill push prices up 19% past 1.3. Sales mostly down. Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek both down more than 45%. La Miranda is next. Homes for sale, mixed. Moraga, 15 for sale, up 50%. Prices mixed. Lafayette 1.7 down 7%. Moraga 2.1 up slightly. Sales down. Orinda 11 sold, down more than 50%. Next is the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Dublin 12 on the market and San Ramon 17, both down more than 75%. Prices mostly up. Dublin 2.1 up more than 30%. Livermore 1.3 up 20%. Sales mostly down. Few choices and high prices in Dublin drop sales more than 40%. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Antioch and Oakley both down more than 50%. Prices mixed. Brentwood and Discovery Bay both down. Oakley $695 up 5%. Sales down. Discovery Bay and Oakley both down more than 30%. Last thought. Fewer homes for sale and fewer sales. Though real estate markets are still moving. During August, a home was on the market in the East Bay an average of 19 days. Last August, it was 23 days. We'll see you next month.